Now without any wait, I'm gonna call two students from English class. Their name are Muhammad Muaaz and Muhammad Ammar to present a beautiful conversation about Independence Day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Where were you, man? Long time no see.
Actually, I got admission in a madrasa, so I was busy in my study.
That sounds great. Why are you having Pakistani flag in your hand?
Don't you know, bro? Today is 14th August.
Oh yes, it's the day when Pakistan got independence.
Right. We must celebrate this festival and appreciate remarkable efforts made by our forefathers.
So, how are you celebrating this great day?
You can have a look around how we decorated our institute and invited different guests from different places to enjoy together.
Absolutely nice. We must celebrate this festival to show our dedications and loyalty for our beloved country.
It was good meeting with you.
It was for me too.